Okay, so in this video I'm going to go over the syllabus for Electronic Design 2. So if we go into the content area, I'm going to put it above week 1 in the syllabus module. Click on that, take you to the PDF. So Graphic Design 340, Electronic Design 2, Fall Semester 2021. Online with meetings Monday from 6 to 7. So we have that once weekly meeting, 3 credit hours. There's my phone number. You can text me. That's the fastest way to get a hold of me. And then I also have my email here, the MSUN email or my Brightspace email. So we're going to be covering the skills, techniques, principles, and current technologies used in the web design industry in this course. You should expect to learn design and construction of websites using content management systems such as WordPress, Wix, Squarespace. We're also going to gain a basic understanding of the code used to create websites. So you're going to learn, for the most part, HTML, CSS, some of the basics. We're going to be covering vocab, visual interactive design principles, in our assignments and lectures and critiques. And then students will begin, you will design a portfolio website using, CMS system that's popular and, the most current ones. So you should be able to construct affordable web pages for clients with confidence and gain a basic understanding of the web design industry, standards, and practices with this course. So required materials, WordPress, HostGator account, Wix account, Squarespace account, personal computer, and internet connection. Here's grades. They'll be based on the following: quizzes, discussions, exercises, assignments, all worth 25% of your grade. Photoshop web ads are worth 10%. Code Academy lessons are worth 10. HTML, CSS lessons worth 10. Wix website worth 15. Squarespace website 15. And then the WordPress website is worth 15. So here's our course schedule. You can kind of look through here. We're going to, week 1 and 2 are going to be Photoshop, web ads, Bannerboo web ads. And then we're going to get into the HTML and then CSS. And then we're going to start building that HTML, CSS website. And then we'll start on the Wix, spend a couple weeks on that, a couple weeks on Squarespace, maybe 3. WordPress website, we're going to take about 3 weeks on that. And then we're just going to, at the end, kind of slow things down the last 2 weeks with a simple How Technology Affects Our Lives project. It's kind of more of like an art-based project, really. And then here's the grading scale, pretty basic stuff. So your student responsibilities, you're supposed to check Brightspace daily, read the announcements, read the tasks outlined in the module, week 1 through week 16, found in the content area up here of the course. Don't fall behind because it becomes very hard to catch up once you do. And if you're confused about something, just ask me questions. Show up to class on Monday, ask me there. Sometimes it's just easier to deal with it in person, especially if you have something you need to show me and then work through. Email me. Texting me works well. If you text me, just give me your name so I know who's texting me. Sometimes I have you saved in my phone, but if it's the first time you're texting me, then I probably don't. Late work, they're accepted, but automatically cut down for being tardy, a letter grade. And also, I just want you to know it's way more convenient for me if everybody can just get their work on time, because it becomes kind of a pain for me to have to go back when somebody's late and grade things. So just try to get your stuff in. It's just way easier for me. And I really appreciate it if you can get all your stuff in on time. So attendance, we have that once weekly meeting on Monday from 6 to 7, but we're mostly online. Definitely try to make those weekly meetings. If you miss over 5 meetings, you will receive a 0, which will go under the quizzes, discussions, exercises, and assignments category in the grade book. So that will affect your grade. Academic integrity and misconduct code, the accessibility statement, Tutoring Central, Brightspace technical support. Here's the number to call if you need, or the email to email if you need help with Brightspace. And yeah, that's about it. That's the course in a nutshell. So look forward to working with you guys this semester, and we'll talk to you soon.